Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the next unit 5. That's name as integers. In a previous unit we have learned about the natural numbers, whole numbers. Okay, I hope you all understood the previous concept. In our day-to-day life we come across different situations to use the integers. Okay, so for example, profit and loss in a transaction, and depth of the river, depth of the sea level, and then height of the tree. Okay, these are all we have see the day to day life. Okay, so this type refer to as opposite, is it? So in a transaction sometimes we got the profit, is it? Sometimes we got loss. So opposite of profit is loss. Opposite of the profit is loss. Okay. So today we have learned about the opposite of the natural numbers. Opposite of the natural numbers. See. So 2 degrees Celsius rise. What is mean by rise? Rise in temperature. Okay. So 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. What is the meaning? So 2 degrees Celsius is increased. Is it? And then next one. What is the opposite of rise? Rise is opposite. What is that? Decrease, is it? Decrease or fall. Okay, so 2 degrees Celsius fall in temperature. Okay, fall in temperature. And then profit, loss. Okay, and then increase, decrease. Increases, decreases. Okay, and then opposite numbers of what is the value of opposite number of 3? Minus 3. Okay, opposite of 2? Minus 2. These are all the opposites of these values, is it? So opposite of the natural numbers. Okay, so 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, 2 degrees Celsius fall in temperature. So fall in means decrease, korayudu. So fall means here minus 2 degree Celsius and then numerals. Here what is the meaning? Plus 2 degree Celsius, because here rise. Okay, profit means I got a profit in business is 2 crore. So what we do? Plus 2 crore. Okay. So loss means minus 2 crore. Okay, so increase. And north means, what is the opposite of north? South. Okay, and then gain. Opposite is loss. Okay, these are the opposites of the given statement. Okay, so what is mean by plus 4 kilometer means 4 kilometer plus 4 kilometer above sea level. Above sea level. Okay, plus 4 kilometer above sea level. So minus 4 kilometer is given. So below, okay, so minus 4 kilometer means the below of the negative value is given, okay, so below of the sea level, okay, so that are called the opposite of the natural numbers. So what is the definition of integer? Already we know that what we learned. First one is natural number, is it? Natural numbers. How can you denote by natural numbers? N. Okay, counting numbers are called by the natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. So capital N is equal to set of all the numbers, the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, endlessly going. Okay, and next one is whole number. Whole number. So 0 with natural number is called the whole number. It is denoted by W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, endlessly going. So what is the definition of integer? 0 and positive numbers and negative numbers together is called the integers. So how can you write in the definition of integer? The set of all, okay, the set of negative numbers, positive numbers, okay, and 0 together is called integer. In another word, the whole number together with negative number is called the integer. Whole number together with negative number is called the integers. It is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z or I. Sometimes mostly we have used this Z only. Okay, in your book give it I also. Okay. So Z equal to, that is Z is equal to 0, all the positive values, the whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, endlessly going in the right side, and negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4. So this side also endlessly going. This kind of numbers are called the integers. Okay. So first one, natural number. The whole number contains natural number. Is it? Whole number kulla natural number contain aidumallama? Seriya? So whole number contains natural number. Integer contains the whole number. Okay, with negative numbers. This is Z. That is Z. Okay, you have learned in the higher classes. Rational number already you know learn, is it? After the third, after one rational number, it is denoted by Q. It is a form of P by Q, is it? and P and Q are integers. You will learn in the higher classes. Okay, so rational number, rational numbers. Okay, this number you have learned in the higher classes. So in this year we have learned up to integers. This picture describe the real number system. Describe it real number system. Okay, I hope you are understood these concepts. Okay, now move to the order of integers. Order of integers. Okay. So order of integers means how can you write in a number line of the numbers in a integers. See, you know how to draw the number line. Okay, so here center we mark as 0 and next one is after right side of the 0, right side. Okay, right side of the 0 write all the positive numbers, write all the positive numbers. Okay, and left side of the 0 write all the negative numbers. This is an order for the integers. This is a order. Okay, so middle value was 0. Here see, 0 is, okay, 0 is less than negative numbers or the positive numbers. Positive numbers. Okay, positive numbers, and 0 is greater than. Okay, 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. Negative numbers. Okay, here say which one is greatest value. Compare the negative numbers, -1, -2. Which one is greatest value? Here -1, here 2. So you also decided to this one is wrong. Listen, here the left side of the 0, the first value is greater. Okay, so next move in the backward, that is move to the left side, the value is decrease. Okay, a value என்னாயிட்டே இருக்குமா, குறைஞ்சிக்கிட்டே போகும். So which one is greatest value in this order? -1 is the greatest value. So here how do you put the symbol? Less than or greater than? Greater than. So -1 is greater than the -2. Okay, why? Here negative value, the smallest number is considered to the greatest value of negative numbers. Okay, +1 is given, +2 is given. Which one is greatest value? 2 is the greatest value. But here negative values are given. The lowest number of negative value is declared to the greatest value. Declared to the greatest value. See one more example. -3, -5. So which one is greatest value? So 5 is greatest number, but here -5 is given. So which one is greatest value? -3 is the greatest value. Okay, so smallest negative number, negative number we have considered to the greatest value. Okay, so we have used the greater than symbol. Okay, do you understand? See the positive values, 2 and 5. Which one is greatest value? So 5 is the greatest value. Okay, and then 0 is equivalent to 0 only. Okay, so other possibilities are there. Okay, and then next one, how to arrange the negative numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. I hope you are understood the concept. Okay, so smallest negative number we have considered the greatest value. Okay, so minus 10. Which one is greatest value? Minus 1 is the greatest value. Okay, I hope you are understood this one. Move to the next one of the concept. Ascending order. Ascending order of integer. Okay, how can you write ascending order? First, ascending order means write the numbers from smallest to largest number. Is it? Smallest number to largest number. For example, okay, how can you write? Which one is smallest number? First we have considered the negative. All the compare with positive number and negative number. Which one is smallest number? Negative number is the smallest number. Here three numbers are smallest numbers are there. So compare between these three negative numbers. Okay, so compare which one is smallest number. Very largest number is a negative of the largest number. We have considered the smallest number. So which one is very largest? Minus 15. 15 is the largest number. So negative value is minus 15. We have considered the smallest number. So ascending order. Let's say called first one is minus 15. What next? Next one of the smallest. That is the next one of the greatest number is minus 8. And next one is minus 2. Compare with this compare these two. This is one greatest value. Compare these two. This is a greatest value. Okay. And next one, the two positive numbers. So which one is smallest one? 6. So minus 2 is less than 6. Okay, minus 2 is less than 6. 6 is less than 7. 6 is less than 7. So the ascending order is minus, that is minus 15, comma minus 8, comma minus 2, comma 6, comma 7. So descending order, you know that. Write in the largest number to smallest number. Okay. So write in the reverse order. Is it 7, 6, minus 2, minus 8, minus 15. So largest number to smallest number is called the descending order. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of how can you write the ascending order of integers and descending order of the integers. And next one of the concept, absolute values. What is mean by absolute? So absolute value means a number regardless of its sign. That sign வந்து invalid ஆகும். Okay va. So integers having the negative sign, is it? See the example. Absolute value of integers. So what is the definition to? What I say? Absolute, the absolute value of integer is its numerical value regardless of its sign. Of its okay, so it is denoted by modulus. Okay, ரெண்டு கோட் இப்படி போடுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னமா modulus. So the absolute value of a integers is its numerical value regardless of its sign. Regardless means so positive value or negative value given number, you have consider only positive, not consider the sign values. Okay, sign is not considered. Okay, that is the meaning is absolute value of integers. See the example. Modulus of -5 is given for example. Okay, so here the modulus is given, so absolute we have to find out the absolute value of -5. What is the definition? The regardless of its sign, so not consider. So minus is given, you have to write plus. Okay, plus 5. And next one is plus 5 is given. So what is answer? That's also answer is plus 5. Okay, I hope you are understood. So need not put in this place plus. Okay, what is the meaning of 5? It's also a positive number. Okay, so need not here write plus. Okay, so see another one of the example, -11 is equal to 11 because sign is not record. Okay, so regardless of the sign. Okay, and then minus modulus of -5. So how can you write the modulus value only regardless of its sign? Okay, so but out of modulus we having the minus sign, is it? Have a minus sign, so you should put the minus sign. So modulus of -5 only we have written 5. So answer is -5. Do you understand the difference between these two? Here the modulus of -5 value is 5, but the out of modulus given is minus, so you should put that minus. So between of these two lines only not consider the signs. Okay, the modulus one value only not consider the signs. Okay, so here so minus modulus of 5 value was 5. Another one minus of -10. So what is the value? Already out of the modulus we have a negative sign. After modulus of -10 means modulus of 10 plus 10. Have right to 10. So already minus, so minus into plus minus 10 is the answer. Okay, so this is the absolute value of the integers. Okay, see the examples. Example 1. Write the opposite of each of the following. What we write? Write the opposite. Already first introduction I will explain. I had explained the opposites. Is it? So now write the answer for this problem. Okay. So first one, 6 kilometer north. So north means south. East means west. West means east. These are the opposite directions. Okay. So first question A, 6 meter north. So what is the answer? A1 answer is 6 kilometer north opposite south. Okay, and B question 14 kilometer above the sea level. Above the sea level. So above means positive. So what? How can you write the opposite? 14 kilometer Above means below. Okay, below the sea level. Okay, next one, depositing money in a bank. See question. Okay, depositing in a bank, in the bank. So what is that? Opposite deposit, opposite withdraw. Deposit na enaduma pana podradhu, withdrawal na enadhu pana edukradhu. That is the opposite. Okay, so solution, withdraw. Okay, withdraw money from the bank, from the bank. Okay, so see the next one of the example. Find the absolute value of minus 50, modulus of minus 51 and modulus of minus 13. Okay, so example, to find the absolute value. Absolute value means the sign is regardless. Okay, so first one, modulus of minus 51 and B1 is minus modulus of 13. Okay, minus modulus of 13. So how can you write solution? எப்படிமா எழுதணும்? So minus 15. So the negative, the sign is regardless, is it? So the answer is 51. Here the out of modulus already having the negative sign. So you should put the sign first. After we have considered the modulus value, the modulus value in positive. So answer also a positive. So answer is minus 13. That minus is out of modulus, so you should put in that plus. Okay, put on that place. Okay, do you understand what we learned today? We have learned the integer. Okay, integers means it is a whole number together with negative numbers, is it? So it's called the integers. And absolute values, absolute value means the value, its numerical signs are recordless. Okay, and next one is opposites of the natural numbers. So minus 2 opposites plus 2. Above of the sea level means below of the sea level. North means south, east means west. Okay, so we have learned this concepts today. I hope you all understood these concepts. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.